Okay, look, this is our first time. You just stay calm. Okay, don't talk about religion. Okay, just nice, light topics of conversation.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, let's go.
Ini loh berita Luna Maya yang masuk penjara.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello. Fine.
It's a lovely day today, isn't it?
Yeah. Can I help you with something?
Do you believe in God?
Are you the missionaries? Look, why don't you get to the point?
We're just walking around and getting to know people, being friendly and polite.
What's this? Religion literature?
What's your name?
Elder Dummer.
Your name?
Yeah, but we can't date girls.
I was reading about you guys. Is it true that you cannot watch TV, listen to the radio, or swim?
Hey, let's get out of here. Look, I'm sorry, but there's something we need to do. So thanks for the talk, and you can keep those worship.
I thought you cannot play basketball.
Light topic adalah sesuatu yang kamu bicarakan itu tidak serius. Hanya making conversation atau small talk. Kebaliknya adalah heavy conversation atau heavy topics. Orang penginjil pertama mulai dengan komentar, "It's a lovely day today." Ketika kita bertemu seseorang, biasanya orang yang kita kenal, ini baik memberi berkomentar seperti, "It's nice to see you again. It's been a long time. What have you been up to?" Usually in natural English, we don't often use the word understand when we're having a conversation with someone else. The one person asks the other if he understands, and he responds, "Yeah, I got it." Kita biasanya bilang sama itu, "I get it," atau "I got it."
Just nice, light topics. Conversation.
Yeah, got it.
Gadis pertama mengatakan, "Why don't you get to the point?" Kita menggunakan point dalam kalimat seperti, "What's the point of doing this?" Atau, "There's no point in," dan melakukan sesuatu.
Look, why don't you get to the point?
We're just
Getting to know adalah struktur yang berguna yang kebanyakan orang yang belajar bahasa Inggris tidak belajar atau tidak sering menggunakannya. Ini memiliki arti perlahan-lahan mengetahui tentang sesuatu. Di dalam contoh, ini digunakan untuk mengenal orang lain. Ini frasa percakapan sedikit ringan. We often use it to talk about our everyday lives. I'm getting to know the area. I'm getting to know about them. Atau dengan structure getting to plus verb. I'm getting to trust my boss. I'm getting to like this food. They're getting to understand what I'm saying.
just walking around and getting to know people. Being friendly and polite.
Guys, adalah bentuk yang santai untuk bicara tentang orang dalam bahasa Inggris. Guys, sebenarnya bisa berarti seorang gadis juga, tergantung pada situasi. Guys adalah rasanya lebih bersahabat daripada gunakan kata itu, people. Also, in colloquial English, we use words like man and dude. For example, "What's up, man? What are you doing today, dude?"
I was reading about you guys. Is it true that you cannot watch TV?
Have
listen to
something
the
I need to do. Adalah cara yang baik untuk menghindar dari situasi. Ini juga penjelasan singkat, tanpa terperinci, bahwa kamu sibuk. We can also say things like, "I have somewhere to go," "I have somewhere I need to be," atau "I have something I've got to do."
Look, I'm sorry, but there's something we need to do. So thanks for the talk, and you can keep those brochures.
I think you cannot play basketball.